Hello and welcome to our new EDC tutorial series. EDC lets you create embedded user help for software. Users can read the help straight from your application. For demonstration purposes, we'll use an email application. The user help is divided up into bricks. The interface is divided into smaller components to plug the help everywhere users might need it. One piece of interface equals one brick. Bricks only contain the user help relevant to their piece of interface. This lets users find the information they want right away without leaving the application. To open the user help, just click on one of the question mark icons in the interface. A quick description is displayed. If they need more information, users can click the links under the description. The contents of the brick will be displayed in a pop-up window. Here we can see that this piece of interface is not documented yet. We need to create a brick, fill it, and link it to the interface. To create a brick, go to the UI Help panel, right-click at the root, and select Create a Brick. The creation window opens. To create a brick, you need at least a title and a type. The brick type represents the kind of interface you're documenting. Click Create. The created brick appears on the left in the panel that contains all of your contextualized help items. Click the eye icon for a preview. The brick is still empty, which is why the preview is only showing warning messages. We need a description, some content, and the brick keys. The description is the first layer of information. It quickly describes the documented interface. Once the description is filled in, you can see it in the preview. Now, we still need content and the brick keys. To add content, go to the editor and add articles. Articles are the type of content you want to write. Here, we're using one About article and one Usage article. The About article lets you give information about the window you're documenting, like what it does and who it's for. Once the article is added, it appears in the preview. This is a second layer of information. The Usage article lets you give instructions to explain how to use the window. Now, we only have one warning message left. Without the brick keys, we won't be able to publish the user help. To add the keys, go to the Parameters tab. Brick keys are the unique ID of the piece of interface you're documenting in the code. They used to display the created brick in the interface. Developers can fill this field in while coding the interface. Now that everything is filled in, we can save. The keys are there, so there's no warning message in the preview. This means we can move on to publishing. Publishing is done in 4 steps. The first step is to select the product and product version you want to publish. In the second step, select the format. The format is adapted to the technology your application uses. Since our email manager is a web app, the only format available is HTML. In the third step, you can select the contents you want to publish. You can use a filter to only publish documents that are finished. The fourth step lets you edit some parameters, such as the title and the version number. Click Publish. EDC creates a zip file. You can download it and unzip it into your application. Once the user help is installed, you can see it in your application. Our brick is attached to the interface. We can see the description, the about, and the usage. The question mark icon, the pop-up, and the user help window are available as free plugins. Clicking one of the links opens the user help window. We can see the contents of our brick. This is the about article, and this is the usage article. EDC also lets you create non-contextualized user help, like tutorials or FAQs. These documents can all be found in the table of contents. Here we can see a couple of tutorials. Let's open one. We can see that a style sheet was applied. You can edit the style sheet to make it fit with the look and feel of your application. We'll talk in more detail about customization options in another video. Bricks are small pieces of interface-based user help. They let you insert help in your software where users need it, when users need it. They let you build several levels of information, from the simplest to the most complex. And they are easy to integrate. EDC and its free plugins handle everything for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.